Hi there, welcome to this video, which is all about the Microcap database. So let's share my screen and get into it. Just hide some floating panels there. All right, so you can access this by the top of the website there by clicking here, okay? And first and foremost, you see in date order all the bits of news. So here you see the date, here you see the recent news headlines, the symbol of the company, and the company's name there as well. Now, straight at the top, you can type a company's name. So let's say Time, okay? You see Time Finance. Now, if you click on a company that's not there, you'll be taken to this. And like I said, if you find a company that's a microcap that's generating revenue and you want me to fill the details in, let me know by email me, justin@sharepickers.com. So let's go Time, because that is one of the highest performers in the Microcap League, and click on there, and it'll take you there. You can either click into the, for example, here, or you can search for a company up here, okay? Now, before I do that, I want to explain what this is about here. If you click this, it'll show you all the companies that have announced results ahead of expectations. That's a very bullish sign, but ahead of expectations are not all the same in quality. So not everyone is the same. So what this means is they've surprised the market and the brokers by performing better on certain metrics than they previously guided to. Okay, this is generally good. It means the company's performing, a lot better than they expected it to. Now, if you want an explanation as to what this is all about, click here, and it'll take you to a blog post explaining what this means. All right, but generally, and you can see here the performance of companies that have reported ahead of expectations news. Like I said, not all the same. Generally, if a company is reporting revenue and profits ahead of expectations, that's very bullish. If you get materially or significantly ahead of expectations, that's even better. But sometimes you'll have companies saying, oh, we're ahead of expectations on EBITDA or something. That isn't as good because EBITDA isn't really profitability. But at least it shows they're improving in some way. But like I said, the best is significantly ahead, materially ahead of expectations on revenue and profit. That means the sales are going up and their margins are getting better, or they're staying where they are. So that's very good. Okay. So let's click in here, for example, Time, Finance, and then you go to that company's entry. Now, this is a summary, basically, a summarized version of what you'll see on the Microcap League. You get obviously the description of the company here with some metrics here. Then you get a summary of the full year results and half year results. The forecasts, if there are forecasts available, I'll fill them in from the broker notes here. Okay. And you see broker comments. So I put these in here. So the latest bit of news, this is what the broker has commented on that. And then the actual news itself. So you can click on this and it'll take you to the entry of where you'll find this, okay, on what's it called? I think it's on Investigate. But it'll take you to the actual news. Okay, so you may see the maximum you'll see is 3 bits of recent news. So you see recent news, scroll down, and you see Time there's got 2 entries there for that. Below that is the company chart. I tried to put in, support and resistance to help in some way. So you say a close above 57 would be quite good. If I've annotated the chart with ahead of expectations, that you see there and there, that means, they've done very well. And if you click that AE button up there, then Time will obviously come up here. All right. And then below the chart, you get my comments. Of course, this is largely, I try to base it on the fundamentals. Sometimes I'll give a personal opinion, but it's worth looking at. Then below that, you'll see what watch list they're in. So in the Microcap League, and they're also my holdings, so I hold that, and any webinar coverage. So like I said, if you go to the top there and you go to the webinar, so you'll see, where is it? 14th to the 5th was the last one they covered, and you can click on that. And you see 14th to 5th is there, and Time is there, okay? And if you click on that, by the way, the video itself, then you get timestamps on the bottom of the video showing exactly when it was mentioned. All right, hope that makes sense. Let's go back here to the Microcap League. Anything else on that? Again, same kind of thing. You click there, you go through Time Finance's website page, and so you can read more about the company there. All right, but hopefully that makes sense. Any questions again? Don't forget to ask, justin@sharepickers.com, or post it in the chat group. There are some channels and all that for the chat group for individual companies. So you can post in there. And don't forget, at SIC, the Sharepickers Investment Club, if you want to get my attention, if you just post something and ask me a question, I may not see it. So if you want to get my attention, at That's an S I see, then ask the question. All right. Thank you very much for watching, and speak soon.